before we start, I just want to like put this out there. Like, all their staff members are really good looking and like relatively good at English. So if you're scared of good looking people like me, kind of like, yeah. I got Mr. Jungwon. The first time I went, I got my bias Sanu. So I got pockets. The first time I went, I bought my baby Enhypens. Oh, here's my Sanu photo card. Yeah. So I got pockets. Cute. So for the merch store, you can get like these like little photo card set things. These ones are special. They're only during the Enhypen anniversary thing, which ended today, by the way. I went on the last day because the first time I went, I forgot to look at the freaking like exhibition. Let me show you what else I bought. My freaking, so they have like this kind of like lucky draw kind of thing at Hype Insight. You can get photo cards for buying the albums, and that's what I did. I bought 2 of them. Oh my gosh, I was like praying to the universe. I was holding, where are they? They come like this. I was like holding it, rubbing it. I was like, please, universe, I know you got my back. Here's a video of me opening it and getting my bias in the middle of the damn exhibition. Literally, not even joking, my friend thought I was like overreacting, but I literally like blacked out for like a second. Like, yeah, let me show you. I'm still shocked over this. Like, this was my first pool too. Like, what the fuck? Look at this. And this is what the back looks like. Please, so pretty. They're literally the same, like, they're a little less thicker, but they're like almost the same as this. Please, that's so cute. And then my second one is Jake. Not the Aussie boy. Shall we do a little unboxing? Let's see who I pull for the photo cards. I literally ordered Weverse ones because they like came out with new photo cards. Why do I even... The universe has my back. I'm sure Sanu's gonna come. Let's see who my pool is. Who is it? That was a little too loud. Jay again. We have Ricky. Is today my good day, universe? Are you really giving me another Sanu photo card? I already have this Jake, please. I don't know if I have this Jake already. Ooh, double Jake. I don't know if I have that one. I think I do. And then we got another Ricky. Hey. I'm so happy today. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me show y'all my Sanu fucking collection. Yas. Ooh. Oh my god. Apparently the universe said I'm also a Jake stan. What is going on here? How cute. The universe said you're a Jake stan now. Yes, Sanu. I forgot to take a picture of with Ricky's like picture. I'm so sorry, Ricky.